Thank you so much for joining this channel. So this is a new series for Microsoft AI Cloud Foundry. Okay. So those who already visited the special session, so that is important. Okay, before coming down over here. So already discussed that what are the ways we can build agents. We can use OpenAI SDK. We can use Semantic Kernel. We can use multi-agent framework like MAF, also Azure Cloud Foundry and Copilot Studio. So now in the special session we discuss how OpenAI SDK semantic kernel works, right? With the demo also, but we discuss the multi-agent framework, Microsoft Agent Framework, Cloud Foundry and Copilot a little bit high level. So we have a separate playlist for MAF, Microsoft Agent Platform, AI Foundry and the Copilot. So now we are starting the AI Cloud Foundry in detail. So giving the context, or you say having said that the context I already discussed. So now you understand that semantic kernel also help you to build the agents. Okay, you need some effort, but you can build the agents using tool calling and everything, or you can say close to a mostly GenAI GenAI type of application, but you can use if you use it properly, you can create the agent also. But you know that also have some limitations. That's the reason the cloud also giving a platform, okay, to build the agent if you have a less time or you don't want to go with this, the manual effort of doing additional activities. So what are the challenges we have? So enterprise challenges quickly appear when you do an enterprise application, multiple prompts, multiple models, multiple agents, multiple teams, right? Multiple environments. Question arise, which platform is better, which model is better, which prompt is better, how we can evaluate our prompts, how the agent, which the agent is failing. We need like an ecosystem, right? So that ecosystem actually inbuilt provided by the, just like in AWS Bedrock, here it is Cloud Foundry. So even if you design something, you need to check the accuracy, the evaluation. Also, you have to manage the cost. Also, you have to make it ethical, also responsible. You cannot do a hallucinate or giving a wrong result, right? You need guardrails so that obnoxious or harmful content should not be published. So there are multiple checks, and that is not possible, right, with the semantic kernel. And if you want to implement everything, that's the reason we are taking help of managed platform. We can do it with the MAF also, but that is a separate playlist. Here we are already focusing on the Microsoft Cloud Foundry. So model, choosing the right model, choosing the right prompt, agent, behavior, evaluation, cost, responsibility of the AI. So all actually being very easy to the check from the cloud platform, the cloud provided managed platform. So why is the selection is matter? So Microsoft Cloud Foundry was created for a entire AI lifecycle. You can create, the agent, you can use tooling, you can do evaluation, guardrail, everything has been given. So think like, GitHub, right? We have a GitHub for a code repository source lifecycle. Similarly, we have a Cloud Foundry for AI lifecycle. So Foundry provides model catalog. So just like you go to the Amazon and you can check the catalog, right, which product you want to buy before actually selecting the product. The similarly in the Cloud Foundry also you are given an ample option of the model. You can compare the model and you can choose the right model for your right job or right task. Agent builder is there, which will help you to create agent playground. Even if you build the agent, how the agent is performing, you can actually do a testing in the agent playground. Your testers, even you also do the evaluation, the accuracy level from the evaluation. You can do a monitoring like the logging monitoring. You can use the guardrail and everything to check the responsibility or responsible AI. And also that we are using when you are using any LLM or you create a agent, definitely a cost is associated. So cost management also very important, because the moment more you use the Azure resources along with that LLM token, definitely the cost will be high. So that also management also required. So semantic kernel, I said, right, the model selection, prompt selection, guardrail, all those things not possible with the semantic kernel because it is only a library, but Foundry is a platform, and MAF is a framework that also have the capability that we will discuss in a separate playlist. So prompt execution, AI Foundry is good, tool calling is good, multi-agent I mentioned limited. So MAF is better if you want to do a true multi-agent framework. Agent runtime, MAF provides, that is not required. Evaluation, yeah, AI Foundry. So when you use MAF with the Cloud Foundry in combination, because MAF will a framework we can use to create the agents, and that agents will be created into the Foundry, and then instead of creating the agent directly in the Foundry, then you can actually leverage the that feature of both MAF and AI Foundry. Semantic kernel, you can see only the two greens are there. That is only for single agent or small kind of, but for enterprise application, if you have no time, then AI Foundry. If you have time, go for MAF in combination with AI Foundry. Then all will be green for item for your monitoring, governance, accuracy. Okay, no code, low code, no code. Okay, no code also there. But if you use MAF, you can write the code. Foundry will be in Foundry it will be created. Agent runtime. So these capabilities are very important. Prompt, tool, multi-agent, agent runtime, evaluation, monitoring, governance. Semantic kernel you already know, it is a normal AI logic, build AI logic, okay, that you can use plugin and everything. We already shown demo in the special session how to use the plugin and everything, and tool calling, but that is also limited. MAF we have a separate playlist, but I just mentioned over there that it also have a control over the creating the agents. An agent will be stored into the, but it will provide you the runtime and everything that we already seen. Runtime, multi agent. If you want to do a true multi agent, then go for MAF. There is no other choice. So Azure Cloud Foundry, manage AI lifecycle, right? Just like you have shown the GitHub model, agent, evaluation, monitoring, responsibility. Why in AI code is not enough? So Foundry does not replace coding, right? Because if you need Kafka, APIs, event-driven architecture, means complex workflow, then you need a MAF. That is a combination, as I said, right? This combination will do a better. So this is enterprise APIs, right? Typical architecture. So business user, developer, architect, AI Foundry. AI Foundry, they will get model, agent, evaluation, monitoring, 5 items, and the model is nothing but these models. You will decide based on the evaluation. So demos, Microsoft AI Foundry. So I will show you that how to create this project, Azure portal, Azure AI Foundry, and then the models, agents, evaluation, monitoring, and knowledge sources. This part will be a part of the demo. Model catalog. You can see that we have a lot of, and model will be selected based on the KPIs, cost, speed, and capabilities. Evaluation means whether that agent is working fine or not, so that will be done with the evaluation. Measure is relevance, groundedness, similarity. So this will be like that validation. Agent builder will help you to build the agent. We will have a separate separate video for creating a agent from the Azure Cloud Foundry. This is a foundation only. Tools you can use, so many tools are provided by this inbuilt by the Foundry. Knowledge, SharePoint, file search, playground where you can test it, play, chat, prompting you can do, pricing, pay as you go, or throughput based production high volume. Responsible, as I said, guardrails, abuse detection need to be done, so that will be part of responsible AI monitoring. Token users, latency, failure, request, cost. So model 5, there are 7 items: model, deploy, build agent, connect data, evaluate, monitor. So you will first select the model, then you will deploy the model, then you create your agent. Then agent may need some data from the outside, you need to connect. Once the agent is ready with this model and this connection, then you just do the evaluate, then you do the monitoring, and then you actually deploy into the production. This is the cycle. So some example like customer support, you can get using AI Foundry with this four evaluation monitoring, HR assistant governance compliance you can. But banking KYC you need semantic kernel MAF, because here coding also required KYC because human intervention other things is all not only on information. Enterprise knowledge assistant, data grounding, AI Foundry is enough. Why model selection matters? Model selection matters because it depends on your cost, need, and the capabilities. Right? You have a catalog. So if I go for this only FAQ chat, 5 model is bigger. If it is HR assistant, you can go with GPT 4.1, KYC GPT 4, coding assistant like Claude is very good. Internal knowledge search GPT 4.1, cost sensitive workload FAE. Like sub models, open source model, partner model, Claude, Cohere. So there are so many models, but cost, need, and your use case will define which model is better. If you want to do coding, Claude, QIC. So I've given some example. Evaluation criteria, right? Evaluation is very important. Otherwise, you cannot deploy into the production. Accuracy, cost, latency, context window, tool uses, how much it is using the tool, context how much information is processed, responding, cost, deployment. So agent never deploy models. Agent use deployments. So enterprise decision metrics. If you want to use 5 model, in that case, if it is a high volume, low cost, simple task 5. If it is balanced workload, 4.1. If it is coding, load long documents, Claude. If it is complex reasoning, 4.0. So, again the demo, I will show model catalog, compare models, cost, latency. These are the models. So if I go with the demo, because this is a foundation, so let's go to the demo part that we discussed. So let's show you from the projects, right? So I am came over here. You will see I already created this project, AI Foundry, an AI Foundry project. This is the AI Foundry. You can go to the portal from here also, and this is the project we have. You can get multiple project under this Foundry. So I have a default project.default, so that I mentioned over here. That Azure portal AI Foundry. Now we will show you the model agents evaluation. Let's go the model. Sorry. If I open, you can go to the Foundry directly from here. ai.azure.com. You can type that also. You will get it. So there is a new Foundry and old Foundry, but by default it is new Foundry. So you can see that this is the project details. Asset, Compliance you can see from here. You have some quota also. So now we will see the models and everything. Let me check. So I will go to this find models, right? Now you can see there is a model option. As I mentioned into this models, model catalog and everything. So you can see these are the models. You can compare also based on the safety, quality, cost, throughput, and you can choose. So these are the models. You can check directly from Azure or Foundry or Hugging Face, Source. Just like Amazon, right? You can select which model you want. You compare also before choosing the right model. So that we discuss the model part. Then comes agents. So we'll show you how to create an agent. So agent also you can create from here, create agent. So you can check the models from here, models. You can get the tools, right? I said tools. Tools you can get from here also. Custom tool, MCP tool, partner tool, all tools you can integrate. Feature newly updated. Then solution template. Let me check evaluation. So view models. Okay. Feature tools we have shown. Some of the models built by the Foundry also you can see. Model we have done, agent we have done, tools we have done. If we want to check the evaluation, I'm just checking where is the evaluation. Okay, we will go to the playground also. Okay, now you got it. So if you go to the playground, you can see that right now it is deployed GPT-4. You can do a fountain of the model. Tools you can get it from here. Knowledge that we discuss. SharePoint files and everything. So knowledge you can link over here. Memory. You can create a memory store also. So everything is managed. Data set you can use. File AI services. If you have created AI services for RAG, you can use over here. Evaluation is actually where you will check the accuracy level. We will do this demo one by one, but this is a foundation one. You can get it. And guardrail, right? Wrong content should be not come. So responsible AI. So you can create a block list, integration, guardrail. So hope you understand how AI Foundry being created with all this feature, and in the next demo we will start with the creating agent, and then followed by we will check all the feature of this, how to leverage this in the agents. That will be our next video when you create the build agent, code and agent. So you can code also, you can build also. So we will do this, and even you can link external agent also. So that we will do in the next step. Thank you.